From the moment a customer pulls into the parking lot, their shopping experience begins.
If you have a parking lot that's got a bunch of holes and it's not striped correctly, it gives you the first impression of your building and your business as if you don't care. And also too, there's a safety issue as well.
Pavement Services has been in the business of paving retail parking lots for over 30 years. They've perfected the important task of keeping lots smooth and safe while providing exceptional service to their customers that goes above and beyond.
The middle name is Pavement Services Corp. That's our middle name, and everybody understands that we're a golden rule company, and that doesn't just mean each other, that means our customers and our vendors. We get good service because we treat them right.
We treat everybody the way we want to be treated, and that, you know, we have a love for our employees, that it creates an environment that people just want to be a part of.
When you're in a Class A environment, people expect a higher level of service. So we need to attract contractors that can meet expectations, and that's what we feel Pavement Services does.
And while they've earned a reputation as a reliable and trustworthy leader in the industry, they are always looking to improve their customers' experience by investing and applying the best in technology.
A volumetric mixer has Portland cement, rock, sand, and water in 4 different compartments of the truck. That allows us to mix that concrete on site.
Which means they can work around a customer's schedule and pour concrete on site at any quantity, any time of the day or night.
Show up at 10 o'clock tonight, gonna work all night, and pave it tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, and give them their front door back by 10 a.m.
They stand behind their work and are always available to a client, even after their job is done.
If something's wrong with our workmanship, 10 years from after we do it, we've gone back and repaired that.